fly doing their own thing, I think, man.
Yeah.
I'm letting her do her own thing in a minute. That's her doing her own thing. I'll grab it if it starts to wander too much. Doing a little bit toilet bowling, but it's fine. Lovely to fly there.
Yeah.
Dead light on the sticks. I've only got it in number 1. Let's put it in number 2. Light mode 2. Current surf have been flying for 3 minutes. What does your video say?
3 minutes.
Oh, so yeah, it's about right then. Oh, save! Massive save, huh?
Well done.
Hey, that's a testament to the copter, not me then. I messed up, gave it too much. In the wind took it a bit. There's only little bits of wind, but when it comes, it's just enough for it to... Let's try her in 3.
I shall try to keep up.
Hey?
I shall try to keep up.
Try and keep her low and do a little circuit. And nip her left. I love doing pirouettes with them. These are actually obviously harder because you've got to fly these than the bigger ones because the GPS helps you out massively with them. See? What a cracking heli. I mess up and it just helps you out. Doing a little bit of toilet bowling there at the moment, but it's just swirling around on its own axis.
5 minutes it says now.
Yeah, he's flied for 15 apparently, but I'll bring it down in a minute, that's long enough. It's another little short low circuit in the garden. Ah, missed a pad the size of it and I landed backwards.